The Chevrolet Trax is a competitive crossover made by one of Detroit's major automakers, and it does a lot of things right. The majority of the 2018 Chevrolet Trax issues involve the suspension, which led to a few brand recalls as well. The powertrain has received the second highest number of complaints after the suspension problems, followed by the electrical system. Officially, there have been 2 recalls and a total of 92 complaints for the 2018 Trax, which is slightly more than some of its competitors, but not by much. With a starting price of $21,000, the Chevy Trax competes with the Honda HR-V, Ford EcoSport, and Buick Encore in this segment. So, let's take a closer look at the 2018 Chevrolet Trax issues and recalls. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Instrument cluster and infotainment system malfunction. A few owners reported that the instrument cluster and dashboard of their cars were acting strangely. The instrument cluster and infotainment system failing occasionally was the most frequently reported issue. In some instances, the issue persisted even when the car was still in brand new condition. Faulty airbag modules. Several owners reported seeing this problem with their cars. In one instance, the defective airbag module required multiple replacements. In the other, the passenger side airbag sensor was defective. Turbocharger problem. Numerous owners criticized the turbocharger in their cars. The turbocharger caused a coolant leak in the majority of cases. Blue smoke, power loss, and engine stalling were some of the symptoms brought on by the antifreeze leak. Faulty suspension. This problem affected several thousand vehicles, and the brand issued 2 recalls in relation to it. The lower control arm would suddenly break off due to a bad weld, causing the driver to lose control of the car. Emission system malfunction. This problem was raised by one owner. The vehicle's emission system was alleged to have malfunction, causing the engine to briefly lose power while driving and the check engine light to illuminate. Non-return valve fault. Regarding this matter, one complaint was made. In the report, the owner claims that the valve failure caused the engine to shake erratically, emit a number of error codes, and stall. Recalls. There are 2 active recalls related to the 2018 Chevrolet Trax model year. Both of them are about lower control arm may separate from vehicle. The attached front wheel might tow outward in the event that the lower control arm partially separates from the car, which would affect the way it handles and steers and raise the possibility of a collision. Should you buy it? The Chevrolet Trax doesn't set itself apart from its competitors, but still provides a fantastic package at reasonable prices. The crossover can also prove to be a great urban companion during the winter thanks to the optional all-wheel drive layout. It certainly helps if you choose to buy a used car because the Trax has a reputation for being reliable all around. You'll be good to go with a used Chevy Trax if you look for a reputable used car dealer.